Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to upload documents on Terabox app, and now let's dive right in. Now to upload documents on a Terabox app, first open up a Terabox app on your phone, as I've already opened it over here. And after opening a Terabox app, guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see the plus button available for us. Tap on the plus button at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you'll land over here where you can see the documents option available for us. Tap on documents, and if your phone requires any kind of permissions from you, then allow access to all of the permission required by the Terabox app on your phone. And after getting to those permissions, you land over here where all of your documents will be shown to you over here. You can see you can either select PDF, Word, Excel from over here. And with that being said, guys, tap on the doc at the right side where there is the empty circle of the document which you want to upload, and after the tick mark appears, tap on the upload button at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then that document will be uploaded to your Terabox app momentarily. If you tap on the top right corner of the screen, you can see there is the document uploaded over here. And with that being said, guys, this is how to upload documents on Terabox app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.